We are in the Gemini season. We have a new moon coming up on the 26th and the 27th of May. It's important for people to manifest whatever they want. Be mindful of your thoughts and emotions all the time, because Gemini is a season that is full of energy, and there is a lot of changes that are going to happen. There's a lot of drama around Gemini, we all know, because of the duality and the energy. Just be careful that you control your emotions and your thoughts, especially because whatever you put your mind to, you expand those things. You might just manifest it by default. So during this new moon, write some things down, journal things, and keep yourself calm and focused on what you want, so that you manifest exactly what is it that you want. This is in preparation for the full moon that we are going to have later on. But for now, let us deal with the new moon and make sure that we make use of this energy.